sacred temples in ancient Hawaii, you could stand at one location and look in either direction and see yet another heiau in the distance. Hawaiians, we would pray for everything. We pray for sunshine, rain, health, food. But some sacred temples have lua king status. What that means is that human sacrifices were made there. So each heiau had its own distinction, right? So it was a purposeful sacred temple. Now there were many reasons for human sacrifice, but the most prevalent was to honor Pukailimoku. Pukailimoku is the god of war. So about 1200 AD, Kahuna means priest, came from the islands of Tahiti. His name was Pa'au, and it was Pa'au that constructed the first temple of human sacrifice. Prior to the Tahitians coming over, the inhabitants of the island was very peaceful. But Pa'au from Tahiti brought over that religious practice, as well as started a high priest line known as Kahuna Nui. Now, as we look on shore, we are approaching a vacant piece of land. You see the sandy area there? But if you keep looking, yes, sir. You'll see a lava bed. And if you keep looking back, you'll see the remnants of a rock wall standing about 3 to 4 feet high. The remnants of that rock wall is the site of Kauakai Makaola. So it's right in front of those trees and shrubs. It doesn't look like much. It's all really eroded and such. But that site is a lua king status, meaning human sacrifices were made in that area. This is the one that was believed to be used most by So here we are passing one of many sacred temples that we will be witnessing along our beautiful coastline. Now, if this is your first time to this island, the official name of this island is Hawaii Island. It has the same name as the state, but it is fondly referred to as the Big Island, because it is big. It's over 4,000 square miles of the 13 climate zones in the world. We have 11 of them right here, just on this island. We don't have the Antarctic or the subdesert, but we do have everything in between. So as you drive around the island, folks, you'll go through those climate changes. So if you're driving and it's raining, don't worry. Keep driving 10 more minutes and it'll be sunny and bright. Yes. Now this island is also so big, you can take the remaining Hawaiian islands, put them on this island, and still have island left. That's how big